help you?
Hey, you son of a bitch, you're the goofiest motherfucker that I ever talked to.
What?
Hey, you son of a bitch, you're the goofiest motherfucker that I ever talked to.
I didn't ask you to call me.
Hey, go fuck yourself and your mother.
Hey, matter of fact, about mothers, how is yours?
Do what now?
Speaking about mothers, how is your mother?
Well, you got a lot of fucking nerve.
Yeah, I do.
You're a big talking motherfucker, I'll say that much for you.
You still living at your mom's place?
Well, why don't you come on over here and say that?
'Cause I don't feel like driving over there.
Yeah, well, why don't you come over here and I'll show you?
Well, your mom don't live there.
Well, you're about to find out.
Well, I already know.
Crap, but that's all you do is blah, 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 blah.
You're calling me when you're living at your mom's house for free. And she lives at her other house.
You're
You're a
good.
low-life leech.
You're good. I bullshit you not.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, fuck me.
Well, you better sit there and play on the computer, huh? Instead of getting out and getting a job.
Exactly.
You live off your mom.
Exactly.
And you think you're a man?
Thanks. I live at 215 Pringle Lane. Hey, fuck me.
You know, you're kind of like a degenerate, ain't you?
Hey, man, fuck me.
Don't you get tired of people telling you you're a spit off your mom? You're a leech?
Exactly.
Yeah, I bet you do.
Well, you're a big crab talking nobody.
What?
Well, you're a big crab talking nobody.
Really?
I don't give a fuck who you are. Fuck me.
You know, you're a lowlife.
Do it again. Fuck me.
Is that all you can say?
Yeah, bitch, yeah.
What?
Do what now?
You're a lowlife.
I don't give a fuck if your mama's a police officer.
We're not talking about my mom. We're talking about you and your mom.
Goodbye. I'm tired of talking.